Hey crafty friends, I wanted to come on today and just share with you some really cool finds that I purchased off of Amazon, and so I wanted to show you. This one is actually a wax seals kit. I have some of the wax seals itself, like different types of wax seals. I think I have them in here. So I have these ones that I purchased from Hobby Lobby a while ago when they were like $1.49. So I have some of these, and I do have like I think a heart and a rose of the seals, but I wanted to go ahead and get some more, so I want to show you what I purchased. This kit I found, I believe it was like $21.99, and it was such a great deal because there is so much wax beads in here, and then all the tools that obviously that'll need to get you started. So the box itself is really cool. It's like this deer with the moon, but we'll open it and I'll show you the goodies. So I already sorted these, I sorted these today. I just wanted to have like my lighter colors in one box and then in another. So it did come with 24 colors in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so 12 in here and then 12 in here. 24 colors. So you can see all these beautiful colors that it came with. Look at all these like pastels you see here. These white ones I'm actually are really excited to try. So each of them, and I don't know if you can see them. Let's see, like this, it's like a pearl, but it's, I don't even know, it probably doesn't even show it at all. But it has like a gold in it. And then this one has like a blue hue to it. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. So I'm so excited to try these white ones. But just look at the beautiful colors. So many of the bright ones here, some oranges and some yellows. Good really for all seasons. And then these ones are more like vintage colors, which I like because I work, a lot of my creations are more vintage style. But look at these colors of wax beads. These are just gorgeous. These like really intense, like almost bronze colors here. The like mustard, really pretty colors. So I was really happy that how many wax beads that it came with. And then the furnace here for the little spoon. So this little spoon rests here, you put the wax there, and then it came with some tea lights that you just put underneath the furnace, and then it'll go ahead and melt it. And then also it came with a stamp and a handle, so this handle just comes off, and then you can interchange it really into any brass stamps that you want. This one's a Tree of Life. I think this one is pretty standard in all the kits. The ones that I've seen, I really haven't seen any different stamps in the kits. And they have a lot of different kits, but I like this one because it did come with the 24 colors of waxes. And then it came with a silver and a gold metallic marker, so you can go ahead and color your stamps or your seals. And then just some basic glitter. It just looks like really maybe fine glitter. I'm not honestly too impressed with the glitter. You can kind of see it there. It's a little out, but it's okay. And then it came with these tweezers to pick up the wax and put them in there, with the hemp twine. And then it had these envelopes, which these envelopes are they're really thick paper. So it came in the blue, the black, the gold, kind of like this pink, peach, and then this red envelope. So not actually a bad deal at all for the price of what, came in the kit. So I'm really happy and excited to try it. And then I did, of course, purchase some other ones. Like, this is not enough, right? I feel like when you get into something, as far as me anyway, just try to like get everything and hoard everything. So that's just what happens. I also purchased these, which are beautiful. So these are more of like pastel colors. And look at those. Gorgeous. And I think this thing was like $10 for these color beads, but I love all the mint greens, the really like a really light baby pink, the yellow, really nice and cute. That's not showing there. And then I also purchased this, except the holes are too big, so My stamp itself is 1 inch, and I'll show you what I mean. So this here is a 1 inch in diameter, so 1 inch across. And you see this, I think, is for 1 and maybe 3/4. So it's a little big. And they have ones that are 1 inch, so I may just go ahead and try to purchase another one that has 1 inch. But Created to Create, I actually found out about these on her video, and I'll go ahead and list that below. But she talks about how she made her hers to make like the perfect round seal. So I remember watching her video and I forgot all about it, and then I came back to it after I ordered these, and I was like, shoot, I should have just gotten the 1 inch, because she talked about how big these ones were. So I'll probably just get another one. They weren't too much. They're like $5 or $7 online or Amazon. So everything I purchased here was on Amazon. And then I recently also got into UV resin, and then I purchased some of these UV resin tools. So this is like the little mini spoon. It's a little tiny spoon for your like getting glitter. And then this is like a little poker tool. And then this one, it looks like a spatula. And they also came in the same tools, just in the pink in here. And then it came with a whole bunch of different size or different types of tweezers. So this is like flat tweezers. This one's like a really pokey one. These are what, needle nose tweezers. And then I think another one of these, the pokey tweezers. But I did notice that one is smaller than the other, and the angle's a little bit different. So I'm not sure what the difference in these two are. I don't know, but I'm sure they'll come in handy. And then also this pipette, which honestly, this pipette is really, I don't even know how I would use this with the resin, because it's such a thin plastic, and I would be afraid that my resin would get stuck in there. If anybody knows how to use these pipettes or what I'm supposed to use them for, please let me know, but I don't think I'll be using that. So that's about it. I also did purchase some more of the seals themselves. I have like a mushroom coming, which is really cute for more of my vintage style. I have this really cute embossed bead that I'm excited about. That one's coming tomorrow, so I'll go ahead and do a video on the wax seals that I purchased as well. So I just wanted to come out of here and share, just because I thought it was really cool. I love the finds. So I'm going to start waxing maybe some for my swap partner. I told you about the private swap, and so I want to go ahead and make her some too, and probably fill it in this. I made this too. So I found the cocoa and Reno dyes that I had, and made like this little tiny, it comes with a sleeve and then the rosette on top. So I'll probably put some of the wax seals in here for her. So I hope that you are having a great afternoon. Have a wonderful Memorial Day, and I will talk to you later.